Hello students, today we are going to construct triangle when the two sides and the angle between them is given. That is, angle is the included angle. So here we are constructing the triangle on the basis of SAS, that is side angle side, and that angle is included angle. So let's start the construction. Construct triangle DEF such that DE is equals to 5 cm, DF is equals to 3 cm, and angle EDF is equals to 90 degree. So first of all, what we have to do? Yes, we have to draw the rough figure. So this is the rough figure for the triangle where this angle D is 90 degree. This angle D is 90 degree. D to E is 5 cm, DF is 3 cm. Now on the basis of this rough figure, we can take any side DF or DE as a base and we can construct the right angle triangle. So we take DF is the base. So first step is draw a line segment DF is equals to 3 cm. So let's take, this is the line DF, line segment DF of 3 cm. The next step is we have to make an angle. It is given angle EDF. So this point D we have to make at this point angle is 90 degree. So we have to make the angle at point D is 90 degree. That meaning we have to open the compass of any radius and place the pointer at this point D, and with any radius or with convenient radius we have to draw a semicircle like this, and this semicircle intersect this line segment DF at a point. So this point we have to place the pointer again, and we don't adjust the compass. Whatever the opening for this semicircle, with the same opening of this semicircle we have to draw the arcs. So we don't disturb the compass. Without disturbing the opening of compass, place the pointer at this point and cut an arc. So this place the pointer at this point M, cut an arc. So this arc and the semicircle intersect at a point. So at this point is N. Again, without disturbing the compass, place the pointer at this point N. Then cut another arc. Again we get the point of intersection of semicircle and arc, that is O. Now here this semicircle we have divided into 3 equal arcs. Now we have to draw the angle 90 degree. So when we join N to this point D, we get NDM, that equal angle 60 degree. But we need 30 degree more to make a 90 degree angle. So when we join this NO, this O to D, N to D, so we get the angle ODN. This is again 60 degree. So when we bisect this 60 degree angle, we get the 30 degree. So this 60 degree angle MDN plus bisection of this angle ODN, we get the 30 degree. So 60 plus 30 becomes 90 degree. So again open the compass, place the pointer at point O and adjust the compass and open it for more than half of the length of arc ON. Again repeating, I am saying that place the pointer of the compass at point O, open the compass and open it for more than half of the arc ON, not equal to ON. Open the compass, more than half of this line, half of this arc ON. Cut an arc with center O. Again place the pointer at point N. Cut an arc. Now this intersection point of arc, 2 arcs, and this point D, when we join, we get a ray x. So here we constructed angle FDX is equals to 90 degree. Now then after we have to open the compass and measure the compass for the arc 5 centimeter or for the radius 5 centimeter. Open the compass for the radius 5 centimeter. Place the pointer at point D. Cut an arc here. So this arc and this perpendicular DX intersect each other at a point. This is the vertex E of the triangle. Now then after join this E to the point F, we get a right angle triangle EDF, or we can say DEF or FDE, where this angle D is 90 degree, line segment DE is 5 centimeter and DF is equals to 3 centimeter. So we get the required triangle of given measurement, side angle side. Remember, first we have to draw a base DF of 3 centimeter, then place the pointer at point D, and with convenient radius we have to draw the semicircle. The semicircle and the line segment DF intersect at point M. Place the pointer without disturbing the opening of the compass for the semicircle without disturbing. Place the pointer at point M, cut an arc, then we get the intersection point of semicircle and arc is N. Place the pointer at point N, again cut the another arc. The intersection point of arc and this semicircle is point O. Then we have to bisect the angle ODN for making the perpendicular line. So place the pointer at point O and open the compass more than half of the arc ON and cut the two arcs with O and N as a center which intersect at this point. When we join this intersection point to D, we get a ray DX which is perpendicular line. Now then afterwards we have to open the compass for 5 centimeter radius and place the pointer at point D and cut the arc on the ray DX. We get a point of intersection of ray and arc is point E, which is 5 centimeter from D. Then we join E to F, get the required triangle of given measurement. So I hope you will construct the triangles when side, angle and side is given.